Behind this big fashion empire stands a singular designer who has an intense and timeless vision for fashion. Everyone, meet Michael Kors. Michael Kors worked for a trend-setting boutique known as Lothars. With this, he was eventually noticed by the legendary executive VP of Bergdorf Goodman, named Dawn Mello. She advised MK to contact her if he ever designed a collection given how talented he was, and the young Michael Kors did just that. And when he launched his all-American sportswear label on his namesake by 1981, he earned countless rewards since. For decades, he has also worked for many projects, and most notably, he became a creative director for the French-renowned brand Cèline. And with these experiences, he eventually opened up Michael Kors Men and the Michael Kors line. That included his women's handbags and shoes collections in addition to his popular sports and ready-to-wear apparels. MK believes that to design clothing and accessories should always help people to keep up with their fast-paced lives and make them feel like as if they're at their best selves. He built a reputation as a designer who understands how people live and how they want to feel in their clothes. By 2016, MK had over 770 lifestyle stores around the world and counting.